This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about a cheap shortcut to paint your window trim. This is the result that we try to achieve. First, you choose a pen in the color that you like. In our case, it's black. Now you mount a rod on the pen so that the tip of the pen touches the rod. Now if you have that done, it's easy as baking a cake. You just follow the lines of the car. Of course, if you use masking tape and you make it with the airbrush, you paint everything nice, it looks better, but hey, it's not that bad. But this was the tip of this week.